This a reggae music. This a reggae music. Feel like dancing. This a reggae music. This a reggae music. This a reggae music. Keep your dancing. So keep your skanking. Keep your jumping. Keep your rocking. Reggae music. Hey, reggae music. Oh, keep your rocking, keep your skanking, keep your dancing. Keep your rocking, keep your skanking, keep your dancing. Reggae music. Reggae music. You keep your rocking, keep your skanking, keep your dancing. Good gosh. You keep your skanking. I keep you dancing. Reggae music. Alright. This a reggae music. Sweet, sweet music. Reggae music. Alright. Good gosh. Just like that. Sweet reggae music, you know. Yeah. This is reggae music. Whoa, now, 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 now. Is this really kind of love? Is it love how we are dealing with? But love how we are dealing with? Forever loving Jah. We will forever love him, Jah. You better love him in the morning, love him in the evening, love him all the time. Love him in the morning, love him in the evening, love him all the time, Jah. Holy mountain in Jerusalem. Yes, 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 we will forever love him, Jah. Blessed, blessed, blessed be the Most High. Blessed, blessed Rastafari. Go now, eh. We will forever love him, Jah. Eh. Love him in the morning, and love him in the evening, love him is all the time. Love him in the morning, and love him in the evening, love him is all the time. Only Jah can carry us through. Say only Jah can carry us through. Ain't no matter what the wicked wanna say, ain't no matter what the wicked wanna do. We will forever love him, Jah, in a Roman style. We will forever love him, Jah, Jah man, all the time. Love him in the morning, love him in the evening, love him say all the time. Jah is for you, me say Jah is for I, Jah is for all of I. Before you go to bed, remember Jah. Me when you wake in the morning, remember Jah. Before you go to bed, remember Jah. Wake in the morning, remember Jah. Remember that you could have never wake. Yeah, you know. So always remember Jah, man. The holy mountain. Holy mountain, holy mountain. Love him in the evening time, love him in the morning, love him in the evening time. Jah is for I and I. Love him in the morning. Say we love him in the morning. Jama, we love him all the time. The only mountain in Jerusalem. Yeah. Love him in the morning, love him in the evening, love him, me say all the time. Love him in the morning, love him in the evening, love him, me say all the time. Say Jah is for you, me say Jah is for I, Jah is for all of I. Jah is for all of I. Love him in the morning, love him in the evening, love him, me say all the time. I wanna tell him man, a strictly love, strictly rule. Come on.
Yeah, lively up yourself. The rain is another
Thank you. When you can give me some like, you know. I don't want to give me no likes. Come on, give me some like, man. I appreciate it. Thank you very much. I'm gonna see no thumbs up. No thumbs up. There's some thumbs up now. Scam so, rock so, you rock so. All you got to do now, lively up yourself. Please don't be no drag. Rock so, you rock so. You dip so, you dip so. Lively up yourself. Don't be no drag. No. Lively up yourself. Ain't don't be no drag. Come on, everyone, lively up yourself. Brothers and sisters. In a robot style. Don't be no jam. Ooh. Give thanks and praise. Everyone, lively up yourself now. Lively up yourself. Don't be no jam.
Lively up yourself. The reggae is another
Every day, skank so. Every day the bucket going well. One day the bottom must drop out. Every day the bucket go to well. One day the bottom must jump out. Every day the bucket go well. One day the bottom must drop out now. Lively up yourself. Don't be no drag. Just like that, just like that, just like that. One. We gonna chase them out of town. We gonna chase them out of town. We gonna chase them. Right out the town now. Gonna chase them right out of town. We gonna chase them right out of town. We gonna chase all those crazy ball heads. Chase those crazy ball heads out of town. Hey. Trace those crazy ball heads out of town. We can't take the wrong, so we prefer the right. Can't take the wrong one, we prefer the right. If we do up the right in a Georgia side, each and every one make we do the right. But each and every one make we do the right. For the little children to come and follow. For the little children to come and follow. Each and every one come and.
We've been to school.
Yes.
Brainwash education to make us the fool.
Chase those, hey. Or each and every one come along and do the right. Don't do no wrong, hey. Practice what you preach. When I say practice what you preach. Uh-huh. Yeah. said to practice what you preach. Oh no, me say practice what you preach. Remember the little children. Now we gonna chase those crazy. Man say we gotta chase those crazy ballers all the time. As I will tell you, you know, the patient man reach a very long way. Right uptown, we gonna chase those crazy bullets right out of town. Yeah. Cause when them in a town, them a turn the people them in a circus clown. Cause when them in a town, them a turn the people them in a circus clown. We have to chase those crazy bullets out of town, right out of town. Chase those crazy bullets right out of town. Cause when them come around, them a treat the people them like a clown. In other town, they chase those crazy bullets right out of town. Show what are the, I want.
We've been just good. Great one education to make us the fool.
That we can't take no more brain wash. Can't take no more brain wash. Much miseducation. Too much misinformation. Can't take too much of the brainwash. Can't take too much of the brainwash. Too much miseducation. Too much misinformation. Lead the people them go astray. Everybody jump up, hooray. Too much misinformation. Oh God, man. Can't take the circus clown. Can't take the circus clown. We have to run them right out the town. Because when them come around, them a turn the people them in a clown. Hey. So when them come a town, them a turn the people them in a clown. Hey. So we have to chase those crazy bullets out of town, right out of town. We say we can't take too much brainwash, no. So we can't take too much brainwash, too much miseducation, too much misinformation. Lead the people them astray. Lead the people them astray. The wicked a shout out if people ray. Through them lead the people them astray.
Build your planet and terrain. We've been just good. Brainwash education to make us the fool.
Too much brainwash. Too much brainwash. Hey. Too much miseducation. Too much misinformation. They said the people them gone astray. The wicked them a jump up if people ring. They said the people them gone astray. The people them chase them, chase them, chase them, chase them.
We gonna chase those waves. Chase those waves, boy.
So the man say, gotta chase them out of town. Right out of town is all I would say. Yeah. Wrong music, wrong music, wrong music, wrong music.
Life is one big road with a lot of sign. One big road with a lot of sign. Sign and hold sign. Come on, come on. Life is one big road with a lot of sign. Sign and hold sign. I'm gonna make up my mind to face reality all the time. Whoa. Many a sorrow, many a joy. Never you try to take life for a time. Some men do good, Lord, some do me mad. And these kind of bad doings driving me mad. Cause when sunshine today, I go on my knees and pray. I say, Lord, send it tomorrow. I say, Lord, let me enjoy. Never let me have sorrow. I say, Lord, let me enjoy. Oh Lord, never let me have no sorrow. Life is one big road with a lot of sign and no sign. I'm gonna make up my mind to face reality all the time. Whoa. Lord, you are my helping hand. You alone I'm depending on. I said, Lord, you are my helping hand. And you alone I'm depending on. Because life is one big road with a lot of sign.
Signs of
Say him no work on a Sunday. You say him not work on a Sunday. No, you say some say him no work on Sunday.
no work.
Him no work on a Sunday. Some say him no work on Sunday. No work on a Sunday. Him not a bloody. You lazy dog, you will get your proof. Him come long. You kill a dog and you will get your proof. Hey, jump to say no work on Sunday. No work on a Sunday. No work on a Sunday. No work on Sunday. No work on Sunday. No work on a Monday. Work on a Tuesday.
Work on a Sunday,
Or even on a Friday. Or a Friday. Or a Saturday. So him no work on a Sunday. No. Hey, Sunday, I got a junk caress day. Him some girl them love up. Ready done. I wear some girl them love up. Up in me house, come see it put down. Punch you want some. I man have to work and sweat in the burning sun. Sometimes you really come down. Come on now, no ready done. You will sit and sit down. Like a she put it down. She a beat up She wants some, alright now. She wants some of him me love some. Go on now, you wanna get none. Alright now, no let it done. Go on then, I yaga yaga yeah. I yaga yaga yo. I yaga yaga yeah. I yaga yaga yo. Come on, let me out. Come on, nobody down. Oh no.
Really don't wonder, always a focus upon me. What really don't wonder, live right side of me. Over the hills, sometime I'm in the valley. Well, and I'm always looking just to call the goods and see. Well, Julie keep working for my happy family. But it's a good thing I'm guided by the hands of His Majesty. Love and mercy. What we do for always a focus upon me. Look, we don't live right side of me. Informer, they don't know me on ya. You could come out of the yard.
Hallelujah.